and electrode holder to the positive terminal. Then we touch the contact interface of the plates with the electrode. Now let us switch on the power supply and open the gas supply from the cylinder. Now, as soon as we press the trigger on the torch, we see that an arc is produced at the mouth of the torch. Inside is the trigger of the electrode holder. As a result, the tungsten electrodes touch each other, due to which an arc develops at their point of contact. Here, the path of the arc takes the shape of a fan. We see that in this arc, the hydrogen molecule absorbs a large amount of heat and gets dissociated into two hydrogen atoms.